This Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo is designed for cooks who want more than just basic air frying. This appliance positions itself as a true all-in-one replacement for a traditional oven, grill, toaster, and air fryer, while remaining compact enough for countertop use. With its large 30-quart capacity, intelligent cooking technology, and professional-grade build quality, the Bravo XL Pro targets families, entertainers, and serious home cooks who demand speed, consistency, and customization. From the moment it is placed on the counter, the Bravo XL Pro conveys durability and purpose. Its stainless steel construction feels solid and premium, avoiding the lightweight, plastic-heavy feel common in many countertop appliances. This not only enhances longevity, but also eliminates unwanted odors during high-heat cooking. The clean, modern design fits seamlessly into both contemporary kitchens and compact spaces such as RVs or motorhomes. Performance is where this appliance clearly separates itself from the competition. The ultra-fast convection system works in tandem with top and bottom heating elements to circulate heat rapidly and evenly. This design minimizes temperature fluctuations, even when cooking on multiple racks. Foods cook faster, brown more uniformly, and maintain better texture. Whether roasting a whole chicken or baking pizzas side by side, the results remain consistent from edge to center. One of the most compelling features of the Bravo XL Pro is its 142 cooking presets, which dramatically reduce guesswork. With a combination of one-touch presets and customizable memory slots, users can save their favorite settings and replicate results with precision. This is especially valuable for busy households where consistency matters. At the same time, experienced cooks retain full manual control, allowing them to fine-tune temperature, fan speed, and heating balance to suit specific recipes. Air frying performance is equally impressive. The powerful convection fan and high wattage allow food to cook with significantly less oil while still achieving a crisp, golden finish. French fries, chicken wings, and vegetables develop a satisfying crunch without drying out. Compared to traditional deep frying, oil usage is dramatically reduced, making everyday meals lighter without sacrificing flavor. The integrated grill and griddle plate add another dimension of versatility. Unlike many countertop grills that struggle to replicate outdoor results, this model produces authentic char marks and rich flavor. The reversible ceramic-coated surface allows users to grill meats on one side or prepare breakfast items on the griddle. Dual drip spouts help drain excess grease, improving both taste and cleanup. Customization is a defining strength of this appliance. Users can independently control top and bottom heating elements, adjusting the ratio to suit different foods. This is especially useful for pizza lovers, as it allows precise crust browning while melting toppings evenly. The wide temperature range and extended timer also make the Bravo XL Pro suitable for slow cooking, dehydrating, and proofing dough. Capacity is another standout advantage. The 30-quart interior easily accommodates large meals, including whole roasts, multiple pizzas, or bulk air frying. Despite this generous space, the appliance maintains a compact footprint, making it practical for kitchens where space is limited but cooking demands are high. Ease of use has clearly been prioritized. The bright digital display is easy to read, and the controls respond quickly. Features such as panel lock, auto shut-off, delay start, and carryover cooking enhance safety and convenience. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe accessories and a pull-out crumb tray that catches debris before it becomes a problem. The upgraded smart digital thermometer further elevates the cooking experience. By continuously monitoring internal food temperature, it removes the guesswork from doneness and automatically stops cooking at the right moment. This ensures consistently accurate results, especially for meats and roasts where precision matters most. Key features and benefits: large 30-quart capacity suitable for families and gatherings. Ultra-fast convection system for quicker, more even cooking. 142 presets with memory slots for repeatable results. Built-in grill and griddle for authentic charred flavor. Smart digital thermometer for precise doneness control. PFAS-free accessories for safer cooking. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional versatility replaces multiple kitchen appliances. Large capacity without overwhelming countertop space. Highly customizable heating and fan controls. even cooking across multiple racks. Durable stainless steel construction with no plastic odor. Cons: larger size may be excessive for single users. Advanced features require brief learning time. Premium performance comes at a higher price point. Final verdict. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a powerful, intelligently designed appliance that excels in speed, precision, and flexibility. It is ideal for households that cook often, cook in volume, or value consistent results across a wide range of dishes. With its advanced convection system, grill functionality, and smart temperature monitoring, it delivers professional-level performance in a countertop format. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything this appliance can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.